This is Ilex verticulata, winterberry holly, and I just want you to see the vast number of bees that are working on this. You can see them in here. They're all over it. They love this bush. It's a nice bush for a wet area. Also, it can take standard soils, but it is a wetlands plant, so it will work if you have a wet area. We get down in here, you'll probably hear them pretty well. There are probably upwards to 500 to 1,000 bees working right down in this one area right now. These are our 12 to 14 foot green giants here at Highland Hill Farm. We also deliver and plant these up and down the East Coast. And these are real fast growing, deer resistant arborvitas that are really a cross between a western red cedar and a Japanese arborvita. And when trimmed, they'll start to look like that. These are our 12 to 14 foot trimmed ones. We have a couple of those available. And this is our display area where we sell from. We also have hollies, Leland cypress, Norway spruce, and a whole host of other products like emerald greens, burning bushes, privet. We grow a lot of material, hemlocks. We have thousands of trees and shrubs here. Just give us a call, let us know what you need. We also do hardscaping and have hardscaping materials at this farm. Thank you very much. Bye. These are our small 2 to 3 foot river birches in pots. They're in a number 3 pot. They're ready for pickup. We have a lot of other river birches as well that are slightly larger, and I'll show you those. These are 4 to 5 foot river birches, multi-stems in pots. These are also in number 3 and number 5 pots. These are 8 to 10 foot river birches that we have. They're balled and burlapped in a 24-inch ball. And over here we have even larger river birches that are about 15 to 16 foot high, multi-stem. We also have a few that are single stems if you need those as well. We're located on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Give us a call at 215-651-8329, and I'll show you some other trees. These are our white spire birches. They're about 10 to 12 foot tall with multiple stems. Again, we have all kinds of trees, plants, and shrubs here at Highland Hill Farm, as you can see. We're located on Route 313 in Fountainville. And this is our sales and display yard. And we call this our Stone Barn Nursery. We're Highland Hill Farm. We have a lot of deer-resistant plants, trees, and shrubs. We're located on several hundred acres. These are American Holly, Ilex alpaca. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. These are 5 to 6 and 4 to 5s, green giant arborvitas. Got plenty of them here. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329. 651-8329. Thank you. This is a field of Leland cypress. 8 to 10, 10 to 12s are down in there. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. This is a block of green giant arborvitaes. More green giants at the top of this next field with Niagaras in the base, and some more Niagaras and green giants over in there, and more green giants all the way up through there. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. This is Nandina. Give us a call, 215-651-8329.